Good morning, students. Welcome to 11th Standard Chemistry video class. We are discussing Lesson 5 Alkali and Alkaline Earth Metals. In our last video, we completed up to alkali metals. In this video, we will start with the next topic Alkaline Earth Metals. Alkaline Earth Metals. Group 2 elements are called 2s block elements. These 2s block elements are called alkaline earth metals. This group contains the following elements, namely beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Except beryllium, all the other elements are said to be alkaline earth metals because their oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature, and these metal oxides are found in the earth crust. Again, I repeat, this group contains the following elements, namely beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. This tabular column gives the name of the element, abundance in earth crust by weight in ppm and their mineral source. It is given for beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. Like alkali metals, we are having general characteristics of alkaline earth metals also. First, we will discuss physical state. Beryllium is a rare element, where radium is the rarest element and it is present in igneous rocks. Magnesium and calcium are very common in the earth crust. Calcium is the fifth most abundant element, where magnesium is the eighth most abundant element. Magnesium and calcium are found in many rocks and minerals. Magnesium is present in carnallite, magnesite and dolomite, where calcium is present in chalk, limestone and gypsum. Strontium is found in the minerals salicite and strontianate. Barium is slightly less common. Finally, radium is radioactive element. Next, let me discuss the electronic configuration of alkaline earth metals. Electronic configuration. These elements contains 2 electrons in their valence shell, preceded by the noble gas configuration. Hence, the general electronic configuration is written as stable electronic configuration of noble gas NS2, where N is valence shell or period number. This tabular column gives the electronic configuration of alkaline earth metals. Element, atomic number, electronic configuration. Here, the first element is beryllium with the symbol Be. The atomic number is 4. The electronic configuration is given by stable electronic configuration of helium 2s2. Next element, magnesium with the symbol Mg. The atomic number is 12. The electronic configuration is given by the stable electronic configuration of neon 3s2. Next element, calcium with the symbol Ca. The atomic number is 20. The electronic configuration is given by the stable electronic configuration of argon 4s2. Next element, strontium with the symbol Sr. The atomic number is 38. The electronic configuration is given by the stable electronic configuration of krypton 5s2. Next element, barium with the symbol Ba. The atomic number is 56. The electronic configuration is given by the stable electronic configuration of xenon 6s2. Finally, radium with the symbol Ra, the atomic number is 88. The electronic configuration is given by the stable electronic configuration of radon 7s2. Again I repeat, the electronic configuration of alkaline earth metals is given by the stable electronic configuration of noble gas Ns2. Next topic, atomic radii and ionic radii of alkaline earth metals. The atomic radii and ionic radii of alkaline earth metals are smaller than the corresponding members of the alkali metals. The reason is group 2 elements having a higher nuclear charge, hence the nucleus attracts the electrons towards strongly. On moving down the group, the atomic radii and ionic radii increases. Again I repeat, as we move from beryllium to radium, the atomic radii and ionic radii increases. This is due to group 2 elements having a higher nuclear charge. Hence, the nucleus attracts the electrons towards strongly. It is to be given for atomic radii and ionic radii of alkaline earth metals. Next, we will discuss common oxidation state of alkaline earth metals. Common oxidation state. These alkaline earth metals have 2 electrons in their valence shell. It readily loses its 2 electrons and forms +2 charge and acquire stable noble gas configuration. This +2 charge represents the oxidation number or oxidation state. Here the oxidation state of alkaline earth metals is +2. Again I repeat, the common oxidation state of alkaline earth metals is +2. Next topic, ionization enthalpy. Alkaline earth metals have low ionization enthalpy compared to p block elements. As we move down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. This is due to increase in atomic radii and ionic radii. Here, group 2 elements have higher ionization enthalpy than group 1 elements. On comparing group 1 elements and group 2 elements, group 2 elements have higher ionization enthalpy than group 1 elements, where group 1 elements are called alkali metals, where group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. Ionization enthalpy 1 value of alkaline earth metals are higher than ionization enthalpy 1 value of alkali metals. Ionization enthalpy 2 value of alkaline earth metals are much smaller than those of ionization enthalpy 2 value of alkali metals. Here, in alkali metals, the second electron is to be removed from a cation which has already acquired a noble gas configuration. Again I repeat, in alkali metals, the second electron is to be removed from a cation which has already acquired a noble gas configuration or stable configuration. But in the case of alkaline earth metals, the second electron is to be removed from a monovalent cation in which still has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Again I repeat, in the case of alkaline earth metals, the second electron is to be removed from a monovalent cation in which still has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Hence, the second electron can be removed more easily in the case of group 2 elements than in group 1 elements. Hence, we completed ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals. This graph shows the variation of ionization energy of alkaline earth metals. Next topic, hydration enthalpies. Compounds of alkaline earth metals are more extensively hydrated than those of alkali metals because the hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal ions are larger than those of alkali metal ions. Here, alkaline earth metal ion hydration enthalpies are larger than the alkali metal ion hydration enthalpies. The ionic size of alkaline earth metal ions increases down the group, hence the hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal ions decreases. The order is shown here. For example, magnesium chloride exists as their hydrated crystals as MgCl2 6H2O, where calcium chloride exists as their hydrated crystals as CaCl2 6H2O, whereas NaCl and KCl do not form such hydrates. It is to be given for hydration enthalpies. Next, let me discuss electronegativity. Electronegativity. In alkaline earth metals, the electronegativity values decrease as we go down the group as seen in the alkali metals. As we move from beryllium to radium, the electronegativity values decreases. Next topic, flame color and the spectra. When salts of alkaline earth metals are mixed with concentrated hydrochloric acid and it should be made into paste, it is shown to the flame. The alkaline earth metals shows characteristic color. It is given in the tabular column. Calcium shows brick red color with wavelength of 622 nanometer. Strontium shows crimson red color with wavelength of 689 nanometer. Barium shows apple green color with wavelength of 554 nanometer. This is due to the following reason. The heat from the flame excites the valence electron to a higher energy level. Again, this valence electron drops back to its actual energy level. It emits the energy in the form of light, whose wavelength is in the visible region. It is shown in the above tabular column. Again, I repeat, calcium shows brick red color, strontium shows crimson red color, where barium shows apple green color. It is to be given for flame color and spectra. Next topic, distinctive behavior of beryllium. Distinctive behavior means how the beryllium differs from other elements in the group. The reason for the anomalous behavior of beryllium is given here. First one, its small size and high polarizing power. Second one, relatively high electronegativity and high ionization enthalpy as compared to other members. Third one, absence of vacant d orbitals in its valence shell. Due to the above three reasons, the beryllium differs from other elements in the group. Now, let me discuss comparison of properties of beryllium with other elements of the family. Other elements, namely magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. First point, beryllium forms covalent compounds, while other elements of the family forms ionic compounds. Second point, beryllium having high melting point and boiling point, while other elements of the family having low melting point and boiling point. Third point, beryllium does not react with water even at elevated temperature, while other elements of the family reacts with water. Here, elevated temperature means high temperature. Fourth point, beryllium does not react with hydrogen directly, while other elements of the family reacts with hydrogen directly. Fifth point, beryllium does not combine directly with halogens. Here, the halides are covalent, while other elements of the family combines with halogen directly. Here, the halides are electrovalent or ionic. Sixth point, beryllium oxide and beryllium hydroxide are amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means having both acidic nature and basic nature. Oxide and hydroxides of other elements of the family are basic in nature. Seventh point, beryllium is not readily attacked by acids because of the presence of an oxide film, while other elements of the family readily attacked by acids. Eighth point, beryllium carbide on reaction with water, it evolves methane, while carbides of other elements of the family reacts with water, it evolves acetylene. Finally, salts of beryllium are extensively hydrolyzed, while salts of other elements of the family are hydrolyzed. It is an important question. Next topic, diagonal relationship between beryllium and aluminum, where beryllium belongs to first element of group 2 elements, where aluminum belongs to second element of group 13 elements. The size of beryllium 2 plus ion is 0.45 Armstrong. The size of aluminum 3 plus ion is 0.54 Armstrong. It is not as close. The charge per unit area of beryllium 2 plus ion is 2.36. For aluminum 3 plus ion, it is 2.50. Here, the value is closer. They are having same electronegativity value. For beryllium, it is 1.5. For aluminum, it is 1.5. Next, let me discuss similarities between beryllium and aluminum. First one, beryllium chloride forms dimeric structure like aluminum chloride with chloride bridges. In addition to dimeric structure, beryllium chloride forms polymeric chain structure. Both are soluble in organic solvents and they are strong Lewis acids. Second one, beryllium hydroxide dissolves in excess of alkali and gives berylate ion and hydrogen, while aluminum hydroxide dissolves in excess of alkali and gives aluminate ion. Third one, beryllium ion and aluminum ions have strong tendency to form complexes. Fourth one, beryllium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide are amphoteric in nature. Already we discussed amphoteric means having both acidic nature and basic nature. Fifth one, beryllium carbide and aluminum carbide gives methane on hydrolysis. Finally, beryllium and aluminum do not react with nitric acid. It is to be given for similarities between beryllium and aluminum. It is also an important detail question. Next topic, chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are less reactive than alkali metals. The reactivity of alkaline earth metals increases down the group. First, let me discuss reactivity towards the halogen. All the alkaline earth metals combines with halogen at elevated temperature or at high temperature to form their respective halides. It is given by M plus X2, which gives MX2, where M is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium, where X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Already we discussed that beryllium does not react directly with halogen to form respective halide. Beryllium chloride is formed from the reaction of beryllium oxide with carbon and chlorine at 600 to 800 Kelvin. Hence, it is given by BeO plus C plus Cl2, which gives BeCl2 plus CO. It takes place at a temperature of 600 to 800 Kelvin. Next, let me discuss reactivity towards hydrogen. Already, we discussed that beryllium does not react with hydrogen directly. All the elements except beryllium combines with hydrogen on heating to form their hydrates with the general formula MH2. BeH2 can be prepared by the reaction of beryllium chloride with lithium aluminum hydride. It is given by 2BeCl2 plus LiAlH4, which gives 2BeH2 plus LiCl plus AlCl3. Here BeH2 is nothing but beryllium hydride. Here we completed the chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Let me stop up to this topic. The remaining topics that we will discuss in our next video class. Thank you.